Hi everyone, this is your Friday morning weather update, which means it is time for the weekend. And as we go into the weekend, some pretty quiet weather through the middle part of the country. We still have high pressure in control. We are going to notice, at least in the plain states, right in the front range of the Rockies, some showers and some snow, rain coming in for tomorrow and even into early Sunday. So that's just kind of a little summary of what comes down the road. Let's take a look at the weather map. And yeah, out west, there's an area of low pressure that's crossing the mountains. So this will kind of emerge in the plain states as we go through the weekend. But high pressure, at least for today, in control for most of our weather. And then we still have some showers lingering out there in the eastern lakes and the northeast, with that low pressure system still spinning, at least in the upper levels. Here's a look at the forecast in the Midwest. Temperatures today, 40s. That's not too atypical for early April. Still some lingering showery weather for Detroit and Cleveland. You're just outside of that for Grand Rapids and Chicago. And in the 50s, that's a nice rebound for Minneapolis and Des Moines. Only 50-ish in Cincinnati today, 52 in Louisville, 58 in Nashville, and 63 today in Memphis. So let's talk about the temperature trend. We'll start off with Detroit and throughout much of Michigan. We are cool through the weekend, a little on the chilly side even at times, but we are going to see 60s return to that 7-day forecast toward the middle of next week. And the same deal for Chicago. So there is some milder weather at least on the way. 54 today in DC, 64 though in Wilmington, 60s for both Charleston, Savannah, just above 60 in Atlanta. So it's definitely still on the cool side. And you only got that 63 in Memphis, as we talked about, but near 80 in New Orleans and 85 in Dallas. So you can kind of see the signs of that rebound, that warmth building at ahead of that area of low pressure. So we're going to see things really kind of turn around for us as the days go by. See that playing out in Charlotte, and I think that'll be the case for the entire Southeast. Those temperatures starting Monday and continuing through next week. A lot more on the mild to warm side than the cool to chilly side like we've seen as of late. 81 today in Fort Lauderdale. A little bit of a breeze though, gusting at times 25. I don't think quite 30, but it'll certainly be close to that at times. And temperatures are going to stay fairly cool here through the start of the week. Maybe a bit more of a warm up in the middle of next week. All right, that is your Friday morning weather update. Have a fantastic weekend. I will see you back here on Monday.